SOAS University namano bali bagochaka omwaka omutang'anisi University litugolia lero omo teneri we University ya Kisii ogosijwa makete na Vice Chancellor aserieta Professor Nathan Ogechi nigaligania abarokigwa abubo omwaka omutang'anisi esukuru yugosese University eyo asanya ko basegeta gokoromokia aboigo gwetanga korwa ase amang'ana atali amaronge gose ali atali kubwatekana no gosira chisemi chiabo omusiko Ogechi boigo gose Professor Ogechi boigo niganyaka bakwaneka buna University unirange gosira aborokigwa ase amasomo abo nemirobili yabo yakerelitugo chinga kibale ime ya University ya Kisii University.
In as much as your freedom, take care of yourselves. Do not come here mwanze kukutana na mafisi na waja mafisi. Unfortunately, I'm a professor of sharing. If you Google, you realize that everything about sharing the world is Ogechi, among other people. Kuna hao mafisi watawaletea mgozo. Avoid the sponsors. Avoid what babas. Avoid these mamas, like a mama here. I don't know. Let me not say much, because I think it's an investigation. When somebody misleads you as a young girl and you're in those problems, believe you, they disappear. They look you there. And the war unto you, let me now tell you, some of you who don't come from around here, you don't like come from here. I know there are communities where a child goes to the father. I want to tell you, because majority of the fellows who are going to mislead you, in case you also expose yourself to Israel. I know that the school of law told you that he will think for you. But I want to tell you, in this community, children don't belong to the mother, to the father. They belong to the father. Huyo jamaa atakuachika mimba na atapotea. Na utamaduni wa hapa, if the Dean School of Law goes into customary law, the children belong to the mother. Mabinti zangu hawa wanaume na mimi ni mmoja wao, wasiwadai. Shaelewana? Wasifanye nini? Wasiwadai. But you know, I'm saying that because I want to say the next thing. But wasiwadai to begin with, mbali na kuzana, there is also the issue of disease. I know the Dean School of Law is here, these people here, you know, they're the best surgeons and whatever around here. Kisii ranks number 13 nationally on HIV/AIDS. I don't know people who know who treat HIV/AIDS. It's not there. I don't think it's true. Keep off the staff of this university. Now, ukiona staff yote ambayo wanakuja kukatia, hebu mwambie consider. Na ukiona staff yote ambayo anakuambia ukakione cha mtema kuni, kwa sababu mimi namtakia na hukumu.
Na mwancho umorigerelia company ya Morap Limited, AU Econia,